What's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be wrapping fog lights. Boom. I've had them for a long time, but I'm gonna decide now that my car is wrapped, I'm gonna decide to put these fog lights and some headlights. But for now I'm just gonna prep them, that way tomorrow I could install them. So that's how they look like. There you go. And use pins right there like that. And then you just pin them yourself depending how they go, but I'll be doing that tomorrow. Something. Alright guys, it's the next day after I've wrapped my fog lights in my closet, because I have these here. If y'all know, these are my headlights. I'm just taking them apart and I'll show you how they look like. Bam, look at that. Thanks to Todd Larsh. Wham. What y'all think? Quad projectors, silver to match my scheme, and just an LED strip. I wanted to keep it simple and clean, and damn, they came out fire. What the heck is this? I don't think this came on the other one. What is this? Todd, what'd you put in here? What is this? Single color LED driver. Oh, these go in here. Hold on. So like when I opened this one, I always thought what these were for. I thought it was just extra wires. What's it called? This thing right here, and this other one. But from what I see now, only one of these goes in here. They do, look at that. So I guess these are the LED drivers, which I don't know if it's for the turn signal or the halos, or I don't know. But they just plug in to, so okay, there you go. Plugs in there, and this one plugs into the other one. There you go. Now I guess I just mount that somewhere. I'll figure it out when I connect everything, just to make sure everything works, but I think that's that. It's like the same exact thing as the other side. Oh, there's a small little blemish there in the paint. I'm pretty sure y'all can see it. A little air pocket, or I don't know what that is. I don't know. But apart from that, pretty well done. Dude, I can't wait to get, oh, and then these have a little halo on the back behind the low beam projector. So go ahead and get this installed on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bumper and the other headlights. It's no big thing, you just gotta remove 2 screws on the side. There's plenty of videos online, just check it out, and I'll be back when I have the headlight removed. And we'll compare from this to my Anzo headlights I have on right now, which are the cheapos. Same with Spider. So if anything, I'd recommend going for these. I'm about to see, and then I'll drive it at night and see how that turns out. So. Those that didn't know, I do have grill lights. So in my case, I gotta remove these. And there's some grill lights I've connected behind this little area. One cable, and there's the other cable right there. All right, we're gonna remove it now. Whoops. Put this to the side. What y'all can do is use a 8mm wrench or a torque screw, whatever you want to use. So you just unscrew this one up here and this one down here. Just pop out. There's a ball stud on that corner. We're just gonna pop it out. There you go. Disconnect all your wiring. Being me, you have a whole bunch of stuff. So my original headlights, they came like this, or I did this for wiring. This is for the HID low beam, turn signal, the main harness. This one was for resistors for my turn signal. This one was for the fog light halo. This is the high beam. So mine was kind of a mess. So now we're gonna go bring the other one. I might, if anything with the other one, I might be able to remove the resistor or not even connect it at all. I'm about to find out though. So let's go bring the other headlights. So I'm looking at the headlight, right? It has a resistor already. So I don't know. I'm gonna call Todd, the guy that built these, if I can model cut this and put that extension on the other, from the other one, so it could just be a plug and play deal with this one, this resistor I have here, because it already has a connection. In case I do need to remove the headlight one day, I don't have to be removing this every time. I can just disconnect it. So I'm gonna give him a call if it's okay to cut this If it's for the turn signal. I'm assuming it's for the turn signal. This red and yellow wire should be for the turn signal, but just to verify. Sweet. And we're done. Now we just plug this in to the resistor, and everything should be hopefully plug and play. This is just the driver. This could be 3M taped anywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna 3M tape this to the side right here, because I don't think it hits anything when you mount it to this side. It shouldn't hit anything. So this is just a low beam, turn signal, my resistor thing that I plug into his setup, and low beam, high beam, my bad, and then this controls the halos and stuff. I'm just putting 3M tape since these do not get hot. Just got that feeling, but I just wanted to verify with him, so I let him know. And these are just to regulate the voltage of the halos or LEDs that are in it. That's that, and then we're just gonna stick it to the side. So right there looks fine. I'll just go ahead and zip tie all this together just to not have so many wires tangled up. Then we'll go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so my other camera died while I use this little GoPro. So that's that. We'll plug it in and see if everything works. There should be bulbs inside, to my understanding. Do the running lights first. So you can see that one has the halos. And these bottom ones turn as a turn signal, and that. So this has a, that thing works. It's hard to see it in the sun. I have to see it at nighttime. But there's a halo thing that shines around the shroud. That looks freaking dope. Oh, the strip too, look at that. You need to be in the, dude, that looks dope. Oh my gosh. That's sick. Low beam with high. You can see. HID, high beam. Oh, what I'm noticing is this HID is acting as a high beam. This is not. Why? This should turn on, to my understanding. I'm about to message Todd and see what he says. I don't know if there's even a bulb in there. LED should be on. Everything's plugged up. I'm gonna see why it would fail. Turn signal works. Honestly, what I might have to do, because in the daytime you cannot see that. So eventually I wanted to do this too, but put some actual LEDs on the actual bumper here. Something that'll show more. Okay, for some reason this side's not working, but this side is. I mean, the LED is working on this side. I don't know, we're trying to figure it out right now, me and Todd. I mean, I plugged it in the same way as the other one. So I figured out the problem. I got the high beam working now. The problem ended up being this plug like that, the one that connects to this end. Inside, the plug wasn't even locked in. The little pins that go in there were not locked in, or one of them wasn't locked in, and it was flipped the other way around. I flipped it around, made sure it locked in place, and then now it works. This I'm just gonna put on this other one. Oh, and I'm also gonna put the fog lights for my bumper too. So yeah, we figured it out. So we're back in business, boys. Draw me a hat, cause my neck is gonna get black. Then I'm gonna be cutting off the other thing. We're putting the resistor thing, soldering. Now that that side works, this side I already tested it. It works fine. One thing I noticed, I do have to swap out this clip, the thing where it clips to the thing right there. That metal clip I gotta switch out. Freaking headlights are on, bro. They look freaking sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not safe closing the hood and everything off the last, but so far I just need to wipe them down, clean them up. But so far they look real good. I'm excited. And luckily with these, this will work as a high beam. Same with this one. The way Todd had it wired up. This is by Xenon, or with the little flappy projector deal. So I have basically like double high beam output, I guess, if I drive at night. Here's the pins. Right now I'm just gonna instead of pinning them, I'm gonna see which pin does what, or what wire does what. And they work. All those are bright. Just like that, my baby's done, bro. Oh, dude, that looks so freaking clean, dude. I don't know if I want to put eyebrows on it. Then just like a small little eyebrow. Bro, that looks sick. Oh, I also got the fog lights too. They're on there. Morimoto. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna start wrapping the headlights for the eyelids. I got the wrap here. I'm just gonna cut it in half, or this way, half. It should be enough to do the eyelids. I'll record the process of it, just me doing it. I won't talk, it's gonna be a time lapse. So it's just a matter of putting knifeless tape down. I think that should work right there. I don't know, I'm trying to imagine it. I want to say it'll work fine. If it actually will, about to find out. Alrighty, there you go. We're done. Honestly, that does look better. Oh, that looks way better. She's done. That looks way better. Holy smokes, bro. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Fire, bro. So what I did was, I made the high beams to be instant LEDs. So I got them LEDs so they could be instantly on and off. So whenever they turn on the high beam, or if I want to flash somebody, it should just be instant instead of HID. Go. There you go. Boom. And then I have basically two high beams, so it's gonna be extra bright. At night, I'm just gonna have to adjust them, and then there. But the bottoms are protected. The top, I'm just gonna use some Opti lens to protect the plastic, so it won't fade or anything. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And yeah, until next time.